Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this interesting example as part of sequences and series. We have been given that three positive numbers form an increasing geometric progression. If the middle term in this GP is doubled, then the new numbers are in AP. Then what is the common ratio of the geometric progression? That's what we have to find out. So what we will do, we will say that three positive numbers form an increasing GP. So let us say the numbers are A, AR and AR square. This is the general way how we take which numbers are then when numbers are in geometric progression. Now they said it's an increasing GP, so I know R is greater than 1. We need R to be greater than 1. If the middle term in this GP is doubled, what is the middle term here? AR. If it is doubled, then the new numbers are in arithmetic progression. That means A to AR, AR square are in arithmetic progression. We know that in arithmetic progression, second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term, or A2 minus A1 minus A1 is equal to D, common difference. Also A3 minus A2 equal to common difference. You can also say A2 equal to A1 plus A3 divided by 2. So anyway you take it, if we start with A2 minus A1 equal to D, we know that 2AR minus A is equal to AR square minus 2AR. We also know that A not equal to 0. So I can cancel A throughout. I will be having 2R minus 1 equal to R square minus 2R. We see a quadratic equation. We simplify. We will get R square minus 4R plus 1 equal to 0. Now that's a quadratic equation in R. So we know that the value of R is given by minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. So let's substitute values here. A is 1, B is minus 4, we have and C equal to 1. So we'll leverage these values and we'll try to solve the quadratic equation. R equal to minus B, that is minus of minus 4, 4 plus or minus B square, that is minus 4 whole square 16 minus 4AC, that is nothing but minus 4 divided by 2 into A, that's equal to 2. So that's nothing but equal to 4 plus or minus root 12 by 2. But you know that root 12 is 2 root 3, so I can simplify that and I can write it as 2 plus or minus root 3, because 4 by 2 is 2 and 2 root 3 by 2 is root 3. So we have two answers now for R. One is 2 plus root 3 and another is 2 minus root 3. But we will not consider 2 minus root 3 because R is greater than 1. We want an increasing GP, then R should be greater than 1. So the correct answer is 2 plus root 3 is the ratio, common ratio. So let's recap. We have been given three positive numbers form an increasing geometric progression. If the middle term of this GP is doubled, then the new numbers are in AP. We have to find out the common ratio. Let's take the numbers as A and AR square. Now if we double the middle number, it will become 2AR. Now the numbers are A, 2AR and AR square. They are in AP. So that means we know that when A1, A2, A3 are in AP, A2 equal to A1 plus A3 by 2 or A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to common difference. By applying that, we can directly find out the value of R as 2 plus or minus root 3. We will consider only 2 plus root 3 because we have been told that three positive numbers form an increasing GP. That means R should be greater than 1. Then only the successive terms of the GP will be going on in the increasing fashion. So that's one example. So we'll do some more problems in the coming session. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.